Ran out of Milkmaid in the middle of a recipe. Don't worry, today I'll show you how to make rich, creamy condensed milk at home with just 2 simple ingredients. Start by adding milk and sugar into a pan. Mix everything really well before turning on the flame. This helps avoid lumps later. Now switch to low flame and cook the mixture. Keep stirring continuously so it doesn't stick or burn. While this thickens, hit that subscribe button if you're new here. It really helps support the channel. The third ingredient is optional. I like to add some vanilla extract. Slowly, you'll see the mixture becoming smooth and slightly thicker. Make sure not to overcook, as it will thicken more after cooling. After about 5-7 minutes, it starts turning creamy and glossy. This is exactly what we want. That's the perfect condensed milk texture. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. As it cools, it thickens even more into that classic Milkmaid consistency. And that's it. Your homemade Milkmaid is ready. Use it in desserts, coffee, cakes, or even drizzle over pancakes. Save this recipe and try it at home. Thank you for watching.